In this video, we'll understand how do we find the HCF, that is highest common factor, using factor method. So factor method basically means that I need to find out all the factors of each of these numbers and identify what are the common factors, right? So for example, solution to this. Let us take the first number, which is 1056. First, divide this by a prime number, least prime number, let us say 2, because this is an even number. 2 5s are 2 28s are, so it is 528. Then again 26 4, then again 132, again 2 6 are 12, 6 are again 2 33. Now this is not divisible by 2. Let me try with 3. So 11 itself is a prime number, so I have to stop it. Similarly, the next one, 1584, it is an even number. Start with 2. 2 7s are 14. 2 9s are 2 2s are 2 3s are 6. 2 9s are 18. 2 6 are 2 1s are 2. 2 9s are 18. 2 8s are 2 9s are 18. 9s are 18. This is not divisible by 2, so I will use 3. 33. Again 3. I have to stop it. Then next check, 2178. Start with 2. 2 10s are 20. 2 8s are 16. Then 2 9s. Then I can't use 2 now. Let me use 3. 3 3s are 9. 1 3 6 are 18. 3 3s are again 3. 3 1s are 3 2s are 3 1s are. This is square of 11. So 11. Now let us write down with its factors. So I can say therefore 1056 is 2 to the power of, how many 2's are there? 1 2 3 4 5. 2 power 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 11. Now 1584 is nothing but 2 to the power of 1 2 3 4. 2 to the power of 4 multiplied by 3 square multiplied by 11. Again 2178 is 2 multiplied by 3 square multiplied by 11 square. Therefore, the common primes, common prime means common prime numbers, are here 2 power 5, 2 power 4, 2. So 2 is the common one. Then 3, 3 square, 3 square. So it is 3 only. 11, 11, 11 square. So it is 11. Therefore, HCF is the product of these common primes. So 2 into 3 into 11, which is 66. So the highest common factor for these three numbers is 66. In case if you find this, find the contents of this video to be useful to you, I request you to please like, share it with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel.